Going to throw rubbish lah.
Just read the UAC website lah. All you need is your 2 hands.
Jangan lupa.
No.
Oh, tiada duit.
Here are the 5 golden rules of personal safety. Number 1. Be aware. Be very aware. This is your first line of defense. Therefore, always know your surroundings, the people around you, and show you are in control of what you're doing. Number 2. Tune into your intuition. Never abandon your gut instinct. If you see someone who looks suspicious and is following you, quickly alert a guard or head towards a crowded area where it's safer. Number 3. Don't be afraid to make noise. If you're being attacked, do whatever you need to attract the attention of others. Flee at the very first chance, and if possible, run to the closest public area. Number 4. It's your right to fight. Aim for the eyes first and the groin second. Remember though, to use the element of surprise to your advantage. Strike quickly and mean business. You may only get one chance. And number 5. Equip yourself. If you're walking alone, walk with confidence. It also helps to have a firm grip on a bottle of pepper spray or a personal alarm, or even holding your keys in your hand as a potential self-defense tool to ward off potential attackers.
Why? What are you doing?
Gonna go pump petrol lah.